Toddler with no fear. He's now doing this slide. Oh my God, my mom anxiety. Lauren is letting him go down the orange. He's going down the orange one. Hi! 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 A toddler with no fear. None.
Unfortunately.
Watch him. He's gonna stand up on it. Little does he knows this is the last time we're going to the lazy river. Woo! Off again.
Hi, Dad.
You ready?
Safety first. I know. You had to. It's so slow. I had to push myself at the end.
Oh my God, I got it. You are so welcome.
I want to see.